Get a high-protein meal ready in just 10 minutes. Slice the onion. Chop the scallions. Add canned tuna in water. Kimchi, spicy mayo, gochujang, black pepper, and a little sugar. Mix everything well. Don't be scared. It looks super red, but it's actually pretty mild. Pick up your favorite bread. For my UK friends, I highly recommend cheese and jalapeno bloomer. Spread the kimchi tuna mixture evenly. Add a slice of cheddar cheese. Heat a pan over medium heat. No oil needed. Cook for 3 minutes on each side. Listen to that sound. Thanks for cooking with me. If you love quick healthy meals, hit like and subscribe. And check out my high-protein healthy meals playlist. See you next time.